Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Hopefully you know who I am. If not, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. I post videos all the time, usually every 2 to 3 days, but you know. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing another foundation wear test and review. Now this foundation is, I've been testing it out. So far I already like it, but I wanted to do this video for you guys because it is super cheap, and who doesn't want a new foundation that is affordable, matte, and looks bomb? So yeah. So this foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I do not have the concealer, but I heard the concealer was really good, which I might pick up later on. But this is in the color Golden Beige. I got medium warm. So I do like that they come in different shade tones and as well as different undertones. So they'll have olive, neutral, warm, and some other colors. But besides the point, the whole point of this foundation, the photo focus part, is so when you do flash photography, it's supposed to not have that white, ghastly, ghostly look in your photos. Now a lot of people don't even use flash photography, but if you do, then then this foundation is supposed to help you with that. So the interesting part about this foundation is the little spatula. This is what that looks like. I don't know. It works. I like it because it's kind of it's sanitary, because you can go ahead and put the foundation on your face without dipping into like a sponge or anything. But yeah, whatever. We're going to go ahead and get started. First thing, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I never wear a foundation without primer, so we're not going to start today. Basically. No. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to take, like I said, I do have the color Golden Beige. So I'm just going to paint that all over my face, and then I'm going to use a wet Eagle Styler's blending brush. I never used the beauty blender because it's too expensive, but this one I really like because it has this little sharp edge. But yeah. Now this foundation is medium to full color coverage. I do think it's more of a full coverage foundation, especially if you layer it up. It does look really good. And don't forget to blend and do that hairline, girls, because alright, so I'm going to add some more. Alright, so this is my foundation on, and this is what we are looking like. I could apply some more just to hide some of my blemishes, but honestly, I mean, I do like a full coverage, but I also like medium coverage where you can still see my skin a little bit. You don't have to be super matte and that kind of thing. I do kind of like a more natural looking base. So just my skin but better is what I go for. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to come back and show you guys my finished results, tell you the time, and then we can keep on going with this wear test. Alright, so I am back. I finished up my makeup, so this is what I am looking like now. Look at that highlight though. Anyway, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. As you can see, this is what I'm looking like. Everything went on really great. I always use powder products though, so I can't say whether or not cream products will go really beautiful on this foundation, but so far I am loving it. I think the color pretty much is a better match than the other one. I think it definitely looks better. So yeah, I'm going to go throughout my day. Oh wait, pause. Alright, so it's 4:28. It took me like a little too long to make, do my makeup and do the rest of my day, but whatever, it's cool. We're gonna go through the rest of our day. I'm going to vlog style some of it, and then I'll come back in a couple of hours so I can show you guys my final thoughts and how I am looking throughout the day. Alright guys, we are back. It has been a long time. I completely forgot to vlog because I was just watching Lost on Hulu and playing with Ava. I did do some pre-filming, so you might see this shirt again. Sorry, not sorry. Life of a YouTuber. Don't have that many keep tops. It's whatever. So it is 12:15. Can you even see that? Okay. It's 12:15. I think I got ready about 2:30, probably closer to 4. So this is what my face is looking like. If I do say so myself, I think my skin looks really good. I have not touched up with any type of oil control, no powder. I think it looks really good. This color for my skin looks really nice too. I think it actually looks pretty natural for me versus the other one for the Maybelline Better Skin that I will leave a link down below. It was really pink. This one looks pretty yellow and warm, so it looks really good on my skin color. So yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about it. This is probably my #1 favorite foundation that I've been wearing, just because of how natural it looks, but it keeps its full coverage, it's matte, long lasting, and it looks bomb. And I think it's like $5.99 at Walmart, so there's definitely nothing to beat. I definitely want to pick up the foundation, and let me know if you guys want to see like a full face of Wet n Wild or some other makeup videos, because I really love testing out new foundations. And like I said before, I am a combination. So right now I have like my dry T-zone and a normal rest of my face, but sometimes it's the opposite and I have oily skin. But for right now, in the winter to springtime, I'm on combo dry and normal right now. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this foundation or any other video requests, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay beautiful, stay unique, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.